What if I told you that November might be the best month for composting? Sounds crazy, right? Most people think cold weather kills composting, but that's a myth. Cold weather composting can actually produce deeper, richer compost than summer piles if you do one simple thing differently. And no, it's not about fancy bins or heaters. It's something already lying in your backyard. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll see why November is the secret season for composting success. Here's the biggest mistake people make. As soon as it gets cold, they stop feeding their compost. They think everything freezes. But microbes don't die, they just slow down. And with the right mix, you can keep them alive and working all winter. November gives you everything you need: dry leaves, straw, and kitchen scraps. Those leaves you're raking, they're not trash, they're gold. They're your browns full of carbon that keeps your compost structured and warm. Combine them with greens like veggie peels, fruit scraps, and coffee grounds for nitrogen, the fuel that powers your compost microbes. But here's where most beginners go wrong. They dump everything in at once and hope for the best. That's why their compost smells or stops working. The truth is, it's not just what you add, it's how you add it. Here's your first pattern interrupt. Imagine your compost like a lasagna, not a salad. Each layer matters. Start with a thick brown layer, like leaves or straw, then a thin green layer, and repeat. This layering traps warmth and air, keeping microbes active even when it's cold. Think of it like tucking your compost in with a cozy blanket. But wait, there's one small detail that decides whether your pile stays warm or freezes. It's moisture. Cold air dries compost faster than you think. You want it damp like a wrung-out sponge, moist, not dripping. If you squeeze a handful and get just a drop or two, it's perfect. Too dry and the microbes sleep, too wet and they drown. Balance is everything. Size matters too. A tiny pile loses heat quickly. Aim for about 3 feet wide and tall. That's your natural insulation. And don't worry if the top looks frozen. Underneath, microbes are still working slowly, transforming scraps into soil magic. That's the quiet beauty of cold weather composting. The best composters don't fight winter, they use it. Ever seen steam rising from a compost pile on a frosty morning? That's energy. Cover your pile with a tarp or thick layer of straw and you've just built a mini greenhouse. It holds warmth, blocks rain, and keeps your compost alive through the coldest nights. And here's another secret: don't stop feeding your pile. Add small amounts each week: veggie scraps, crushed leaves, a little straw. Think of it like slow cooking. Even if it seems inactive inside, it's still working. By spring, you'll uncover dark, crumbly compost that smells like rich earth, your garden's favorite meal. What if your compost could actually heat your garden beds? It can. Place your compost near your garden area, and as it breaks down, the warmth it creates gently radiates into the soil, protecting roots from frost. It's free heat from nature, no plug, no effort. So here's your quick checklist for November composting. Balance your browns and greens. Keep it moist but not wet. Layer carefully, make it big, and cover it to hold heat. Use what nature gives you: leaves, straw, scraps, and let the process work. Your compost isn't sleeping this winter. It's quietly creating life beneath the frost. Every coffee ground, every leaf, every veggie peel is part of that transformation. When spring arrives, you'll lift that cover and find dark, beautiful compost proof that your patience worked. So this November, don't stop composting. Feed your pile, keep it cozy, and let the cold work for you. If this helped, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more cold weather composting tips. Because the secret to your best garden next year starts with what you do right now.